which exhaust would be better. None of the exhausts are legal. Which one should I install? And my mind is blasting now. Alright, what's up family? How are you guys doing? I hope everyone is doing good. Alright, so been very confused lately with one thought. Jahan I'm planning with some new modifications for my bike, और वो modifications कैसे रहेंगे, क्या रहेंगे, वो मैं कुछ ही देर में शेयर करना चाहूँगा और ओपिनियन भी जानना चाहूँगा कि what would be the best option for me. So yeah, let's go. Let me show you my bike. She's been standing for so long and बारिश की सीजन में बाइक चलाने का मौका ही नहीं मिलता है, और जबकि न्यू बाइक है तो आई एम जस्ट हैविंग अ थॉट कि आई टेक केयर एट द मोस्ट जहाँ मैं कर सकता हूँ. सो योर शी इज स्टैंडिंग वेटिंग कि मैं कब इसको लेके निकलूँ. बढ़िया. एनीवेज, एक छोटा डिस्कशन करते हैं, देखते हैं कि क्या बेटर रहेगा और क्या नहीं. I'll just sit and we can then discuss further. Okay. I wonder. ठीक है. Let me just sit quietly and then we can discuss further. बहुत बड़ा confusion है जहाँ मेरे को डिसीजन लेने हो ही नहीं रहा है. बहुत ज़्यादा कंफ्यूज हो रहा हूँ मैं कि what would be better. So I'll just go ahead and tell you. Okay, I'm planning to go ahead and install a new exhaust on my bike. So yeah, it's going to be a new exhaust modification on my new Goan Classic. So काफ़ी टाइम से I have been searching, having a research over this new exhaust modification that I'm planning for the new engine BS7. Is it reliable for me to go ahead and do the exhaust modification right now? अभी मेरा फर्स्ट सर्विस हो गया है बाइक का, एंड जहाँ तक आई कैन रिमेंबर I guess I have राइड द बाइक फॉर अराउंड 2500 किलोमीटर्स चल चुकी है मेरी बाइक अभी. So it's pretty decent for me to go ahead and do the exhaust modification now. Second service remaining है, तो जब तक I'll come with a conclusion कि मेरे को कौन सा exhaust लगाना है and कौन सा exhaust मैं decide करता हूँ finally, मैं order करता हूँ या probably I'll go to a modification shop and I see which exhaust is better. But I don't think so I'll be going to a repair modification or या जो भी modification shop रहेगी to buy exhaust, because I have already shortlisted few of the exhaust options that I'm going to share with you guys, and I really need a help on that. So I'll be sharing the options right now, and I need a genuine decision, genuine feedback with which exhaust would be better for my bike, for the Royal Enfield Goan Classic 350. Either I'm thinking for a performance exhaust, or either I'm just thinking for going ahead and having a good sound for my bike which actually suits my bike and gives me that feel. So I'm mostly looking forward for a heavy bass जिसमें मेरे को thumb sound proper bullet की आवाज़ मेरे को वैसी नहीं चाहिए. I'm more looking forward for a sound जहाँ feel that bass. So that will be my whole decision, जहाँ I'll think कि okay, this is the best option for me and I'm going ahead for. Let's go and see. देखते हैं कौन सा exhaust better. I'll just quickly show you all the options that I have. The reason I'm sitting in the car, I'm going gym, and I just had a thought कि I'll just make you guys hear the exhaust sound from the options that I've seen below. So I'll just quickly go ahead and share some options that I've shortlisted. Alright, मैं दिखाता हूँ कुछ options जो मैंने select करके रखा है, shortlist करके रखा है, और उसमें से एक है जो पहला मैं दिखाना चाहूँगा. I'll just make you hear the sound of that exhaust. That is a Red Rooster. So Red Rooster ऐसा है कि everyone has a dream to have a Red Rooster installed in their bike. तो एक Red Rooster option है मेरा. I'll show you how it sounds. तो there's one guy who posted one video. I'll just share that. Okay, so I'll just turn up the volume and you guys can hear and just quickly tell me which one is better. So this is the first one is Red Rooster Polestar, and hear how it sounds. I hope you can hear. ये एक है. If you go and buy this exhaust, उसका शायद MRP is around 10,000 or 11,000 around something. It's a pretty good exhaust. This is a hands down, anytime, any day I can go for this exhaust. So this is my top pick and one of the top picks. I'll just show you another one. That is the Megaphone. तो ये जो exhaust लगा था, this was on actually a Goan Classic, so you can actually hear कि how the bike will sound. So there's another exhaust, the Megaphone, that I just searched. I'll just quickly go ahead and share that. Okay, तो ये तो फिलहाल Goan Classic पे नहीं है, but Classic 350 पे ही है. तो it's gonna sound almost similar because they both have the same engine anyhow. So let's see how this sounds. Yep. This is by Globe and honestly Megaphone और Red Rooster में मेरे को what I feel the difference is कि Red Rooster has more of a sporty sound और Megaphone has a bit of mix of a pure Royal Enfield sound with a larger thump and a heavy bass, a decent bass. ये difference है. Megaphone is quite loud. I know none of the sounds, none of the exhausts are legal when you install in your bike apart from the one that you have stocked. My stock Royal Enfield, this Goan Classic 350 sounds real good, to be very honest. काफ़ी लोग रहेंगे जो लोग agree नहीं करेंगे कि like don't go for an exhaust change, don't go for this thing. I totally agree on that, no doubt. Actually, this bike actually doesn't need exhaust change, but it is just me. I just want to have that thing, So these two have these differences. Then there's another one that I'll show you. That is the Mini Dolphin that I've checked. Dolphin तो जाना ही जाता है exhaust bass, काफ़ी high bass के लिए. So there's this guy who has posted one. I'll just quickly forward it. तो ये थर्ड ऑप्शन है, मिनी डॉल्फिन. The first one was Red Rooster Polestar, the second was one Megaphone. ये थर्ड वाला मिनी डॉल्फिन है. मिनी डॉल्फिन और डॉल्फिन में आई गेस मेरे को लगता है यही फ़र्क है कि मिनी डॉल्फिन हैज़ a little less bass than the normal dolphins that they manufacture. और ज़्यादा कुछ डिफरेंस नहीं है. Both of them are same. खाली साइज़ का डिफरेंस है. So this is the third option. Then apart from these three options, I have another one, that is one guy who has actually made this video on the Goan Classic. इसमें से मेरे को एक एग्जॉस्ट है जो पसंद आया. I'll just quickly show. I'll just directly make you hear the one that I have shortlisted. 2-4 है जो उसने पहले बताया, बट मेरे को उसमें काफ़ी ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट नहीं आया. दैट इज़ वन कोबरा, अनदर वन वाज द डॉल्फिन, देन मेगाफोन उसमें से एक था that I just showed you. I'll just quickly go and forward it to the one that he has been installing on his bike, which I even considered that I should pick that one. So yeah. This one is the Gold Star. This is the Globe Exploder. Globe Exploder, exhaust from Globe Exploder. Exhaust का नाम Exploder है. तो ये exhaust मेरे को काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा है. तो the first one was the Red Rooster. The second one that I chose was Megaphone. The third was the Mini Dolphin, and the fourth is the Globe Exploder. Amongst these 4 options, I'm really confused that which one I should pick. And trust me, I've been listening to this exhaust sounds like more than 100 times now, and I've been watching and researching like completely for a week now, and my mind is blasting now. I actually need a help. तो देखते हैं अभी कौन सा एग्जॉस्ट मैं डिसाइड करूँगा. आई वॉन्ट यू गाइज टू हेल्प मी सपोर्ट इन दिस थिंग. Which one should I install in my Goan Classic 350? Which exhaust would be better in terms of look, in terms of the sound that I'm expecting? Heavy bass, not that loud, not that stocky. So yeah, let's see. I want you guys to comment. I want you guys, you can DM me, you can connect with me in regards of anything that you want to ask about the bike. And what I would be expecting is that if you can guys help me to choose an exhaust. I'll have to post this video of the modification I have actually shot, and I was thinking that once I have the modification done for my exhaust, I'll share a complete video. I'll post a complete video of what all modifications I have done in my bike, and from where I have got the bar and mirrors, from where I have got my helmet, from where I have got the minute modifications done, what was the cost, what exactly things I've used on my bike. I haven't actually used much of the things, but yeah, there are slight minimal modifications that I have done on my bike, which actually looks good. I'm not much into heavy modifications, and I actually didn't want to do that on my new bike, so probably I'll be doing it after a few months. You can stay tuned for that, but as of now, yes, exhaust. So yeah guys, comment, let me know which one would be better, which one would be reliable. And yeah, that's all for today now, and have a good one. Bye bye.